Heart blockages can be managed and even reversed if caught in time and with proper lifestyle changes. Heart blockages, or coronary artery disease, occur when the arteries supplying blood to the heart narrow due to fatty deposits, cholesterol, and other substances forming plaques. These blockages can lead to chest pain, shortness of breath, or severe complications like heart attacks if not addressed. This blockage is primarily due to the accumulation of fatty deposits, cholesterol, and other substances, forming plaques in the artery walls. Causes of heart blockage: several factors such as atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, and unhealthy lifestyle choices contribute to heart blockages. The World Health Organization (WHO) highlights that an unhealthy diet, inactivity, tobacco use, and excessive alcohol consumption are significant causes of heart disease. Preventing heart blockage and clearing arteries involves the following steps. Maintaining a healthy diet. Reducing bad cholesterol and plaque accumulation in arteries can be achieved by eating a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, healthy grains, and lean proteins. Heart health is also supported by avoiding processed foods and saturated fats. Regular exercise: walking, running, or cycling are examples of regular physical activity that strengthens the heart, enhances circulation, lowers the chance of blockages, and helps maintain appropriate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Quitting smoking. Smoking raises the risk of heart disease, damages the artery lining, and encourages plaque accumulation. Giving up smoking increases blood flow and lowers the risk of heart blockages. Managing stress. Chronic stress can elevate blood pressure and induce inflammation in the arteries, contributing to blockages. Stress management and heart health protection can be achieved by engaging in relaxation practices like yoga or meditation. Keeping an eye on cholesterol and blood pressure. Monitoring blood pressure and cholesterol levels is essential for identifying heart disease early on. Blockage chances are decreased by routine examinations and level management with medication or lifestyle changes. Limit your alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can raise cholesterol and blood pressure, which can damage arteries. Reducing consumption to modest amounts lowers the chance of heart blockages and other cardiovascular problems. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight lowers blood pressure, cholesterol, and the risk of arterial blockages, as well as the strain on your heart. Regular exercise and a healthy diet are essential to keep your weight in check. Heart blockages can be detected early through regular medical checkups, especially if there is a family history of heart problems. There are 3 levels of heart blockages: first degree, second degree, and third degree. Third degree blockages are severe and can become medical emergencies. One must contact a doctor as soon as they face any symptoms or complications.